Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I still got the wheels on my car from last video, or a couple videos ago. I don't know when I'm gonna upload which video, because I recorded actually a few videos this weekend, and I'm not sure what order I'm gonna upload them in. But in one of the previous videos, you saw me taking off the NT03s from the STI, and they're right in the back of the car. Because right now we're on our way to go get rid of them. Gonna take them to the new owner, which you will see soon. In I don't know, maybe like a minute or two for you guys, but a couple minutes for me. But I'm on my way right now to go meet up with them, and we're gonna give them the wheels, and that's GG's to the NT03s, dude. They're gone. They're officially sold. I'm taking them right now, so we'll catch up when we see the new owner. Aw, yeah. It's Chinny McChin-Chins. Wheels are officially gone, and this is the new owner of the wheels. It's Adriel. Surprise! Surprise, motherfucker. So we're still gonna see the wheels around when Adriel throws them on his car. Yes, sir. They'll still be in the family. Think about the 19s. Hey, Chinnies. Like, yep. But you happy, Adriel? You excited? Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Also, you need some tires and some coils now.
Yeah, I know. That's all I gotta do. They'll be chilling in my garage for now.
Oh, your fucking 10-car garage that you got?
Fuck yeah. They'll be chilling in there. They'll be chilling in there for a bit. But yeah.
He's ready. I'm a little sad, but it's all good. Maybe we'll. Are we gonna paint the wheels or no?
What's up?
Are we gonna paint them or no?
Yeah, no, definitely, dude.
Ooh, what color?
You have to wait and find out.
Wait and see whenever he gets them on. They'll still be around though. We'll still see them on the channel. Adriel will still be here. Chinnies will still be here. So yeah. But in the meantime, they'll be gone off my car. I'm back on my stockies. Look at this dumb shit. It looks fucking ridiculous, dude. Aired out. Looks fucking ridiculous.
Check that fit.
Check this fit man real quick. Look at that fit man. 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 Well, dude, it's because my fenders being pulled doesn't really help. Look at the back, dude.
Honestly, dude.
Look at the back. Because I had to pull my fenders to fit the NT03s, but I overkill pulled them because I wanted to make sure I cleared when I aired out.
You cleared.
Oh, I'm more than clear, dude. I had those shit stuck. Versus stock.
Yes, sir.
That's how they should look.
Still stock.
And this is how mine look.
These are gone.
It's not good though. Look at this dude right here. Look at this dude. Recording. Hey fam. Hey fam. Almost had it synchronized. Hey fam. Hey fam. We out here, boys. We out here, girls. Ladies. You don't know what we're doing now, but we're out here trying to buy another car for Twinkie. He's really tired of his WX, he said. He's trying to get a truck.
That life coming soon. Wait on it.
Truck life, baby.
Truck life.
No, not really. We're potentially getting rid of the STI right now, but shh. It's all dirty. And my bags are still on it, so bags gotta come off still, but considering consigning it. Dan, you wanna get in this or what? Stop doing some gay shit though.
I'm trying to like just, you know.
We're considering consigning it, but we're trying to see what they can do for us. It might not go through, but we're playing the waiting game.
Doesn't hurt to try, right?
Doesn't hurt to try, so we're just playing the waiting game. Standing out here, trying to keep talking because I don't want to get no copyright shit.
Not cold?
No, I'm wearing shorts. Twinky's like, why aren't you cold? Wait. Shorts. Twinky's got on sweats. Like he's looking like he's about to play some soccer. Golazo, fool? Yo, back with the Raiders again, fam? Didn't we just go over this in the exhaust video?
Hey, we're 3-2, dude. Leave alone. Then we go to bye week. We got a bye week. The only thing that sucks about having a bye week is that I have Josh Jacobs fantasy league, and he's not playing. And man, against the Bears, he put up like 29 points. So
damn, fam.
I'm pretty disappointed, but you know that's what we got depth in our league. So hopefully I come. I'm 5-0 right now in my fantasy league.
Okay. Any call-outs right now you want to make?
Little Bear,
you still calling out Little Bear?
Little Bear, I love you, dog.
Yeah, it's all love, Little Bear. He loves you. You're just not here, that's why, you know.
I don't know, who can I call out?
I don't know.
Mark?
This is my life right now.
What's the difference between these two, Eli?
Mattress shopping.
The pillow top gives you more padding.
Oh,
Okay. Oh yeah.
high quality memory foam.
Look at this guest, special guest today.
Along with coil support.
Yeah.
He doesn't realize he's being recorded yet.
Than the traditional ones.
Okay.
This one's you don't have a.
Look at that sexy bike. Alright, hold on. I got a mattress test right now. What's this remote for?
It's on an adjustable base.
What? Oh,
so
okay.
Right now,
Like you're in the hospital or something, or what? Set up?
Yeah, but better. So right now, if you make a minimum $700 purchase, you get a free head-up adjustable base.
Mattress test.
Yeah.
So don't need a frame, don't need. And then if you want to upgrade with credit.
Oh, this is free?
Yeah.
Wow.
I was in a hospital. What are you gonna do with that though?
Give me my tray.
It's recommended for sleeping with your head lifted. So some people use pillows, but this is a lot better. Helps with breathing, takes pressure off your chest.
But you said this is for the head only, right? Not for your feet.
When I sleep, I literally sleep with my head in the thing though.
I wouldn't mind a slight angle, honestly. I see. I do the same shit.
That's how I sleep.
But like,
you get this for free.
Watching TV, stuff like that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
yeah,
this is fucking cool for free. This is. I don't know. I feel like I'm in a hospital. I'm not gonna lie, but it feels pretty good. I could be watching Netflix right here.
I mean, it's recommended because people use it. You know, like they use pillows to kind of fill in the space.
But I need to go find Banger because he wants a mattress. So I'm like, you know what? I might as well look at a mattress while I'm here too. Let's go see what we can find. Lay on it again. Let me get the. Dude,
like the little
Mango's a big boy. Look at him. This is a king size.
Oh shit.
He looks like he's laying on a piece of bread.
It's gonna be wheat bread because I want it.
Facts.
Oh, this one's cool, but.
Oh my! This fucking mattress is so stiff.
Yeah, that one's pretty. Is that a firm?
Ow.
Yeah, that one's a firm one.
Okay, you can tell.
Now I know why I don't like firm.
Okay.
This mattress is stiff as hell.
That's a good size, but.
King size or queen size?
Yeah.
These are all kings here, right? This whole section, or
No, just that one.
just this one? Because this one looks like it is too.
Okay.
And then everything else we display in a queen. It can come in a king though. We also have a lot of clearance beds here too.
She's calling me.
They come about 50%.
Lexi's calling me. You can't see my watch, but see what she says.
Stuff like that. So we have like
Hello, hello. You're on the vlog.
And then what's wrong with these?
Hello, how may I help
So
you?
they're pre-owned, meaning someone purchased it. When you
You're
buy
not on
the
speaker,
bed,
but I'm just talking to myself on camera. So me and Mango are looking at mattresses right now, right?
Either way, it's easier to just kind of.
So you'd be off at 5?
Get settled in and then do it.
Well, I mean, checking for financing,
Okay,
seeing
sounds
how
good.
much you get approved for takes about.
I just think of Abel's song.
Which one?
Take the camera out, POV.
What is it? Sprite?
Right? What?
The face of disappointment. Alright, you guys, let me tell you a secret about myself that I don't really tell a lot of people. I'm low-key a bean and cheese burrito connoisseur. I said it. Bean and cheese burrito connoisseur and chocolate milk connoisseur. I like both. So we're at the spot now. I'm with Lexi right now. Look at
Hi guys.
And she gave me this good idea. She's like, you go eat all these bean and cheese burritos and shit. I actually recorded. I was like, you're fucking right. My camera's right here with me. So what's this place called again?
Taquiera Escamilla.
Yeah, we're at that place. And it's pretty good. I'm not gonna say I've the best because I've had better, but it's not bad. A scale of 1 to 10 on burrito level. Probably give it like a solid 6.5, maybe a 7. I'm gonna say 6.5. It's an average burrito, but it's not bad. Just because it's average doesn't mean it's bad. Nope. But I'm like, this isn't a bad idea. So every time we go places and I get a bean and cheese burrito, I'm gonna record it and update it. So this is the first clip of the bean and cheese burrito chronicles. Let's get it. Update. You never want your fucking burrito to do this. Look at this. Improperly wrapped, but it still tastes good, so I can't. I don't know, I guess I can kind of, we're gonna have to drop this down to a 6 because that was a 6.5, but after seeing this chorro right here, sorry fam. Back down to a 6. I feel like I haven't picked up my camera in forever, and that's because it's been like almost 2 weeks. Besides the what clip was that? The bean and cheese burrito clip. That was yesterday. Today's Friday. That clip was on Thursday. last weekend or maybe the weekend before. I don't know. Honestly, I haven't picked up my camera much, and this is gonna be pretty much the end of this video and the start. Well, I'm gonna start the video, the next video, in a couple minutes. I'm gonna meet up with the boys. But like my life's been a little chaotic lately, so I haven't really been recording. Just been going through a lot of shit, but we're back, baby. Nothing bad. Like don't get me wrong, it's nothing bad. But I've had a lot of shit going on, so I haven't really picked up my camera much. But luckily, the exhaust video and the other video of Lexi were made in the same. I recorded them both the same day, so I just uploaded them separately, obviously. But for the whole car thing, because I know I included clips with the car, what they offered me for the car, I didn't talk about this, but just to give us a quick update. For the car, they wanted to give me like, they said they'd buy it outright for me for like 21 grand. And I was like, I don't really want to do that. I could just sell it myself for an extra 5 to 6 grand if I wanted to. So I'm still in the Subaru. I'm actually sitting here right now, as you guys could obviously tell. And yeah, just had a lot of shit going on. But we'll talk about that soon, because it is exciting stuff. It's nothing, like I said, it's nothing bad, nothing too crazy. It's just been a lot of exciting shit lately, and I'll talk about that soon. And by soon, I mean maybe like a month. Maybe like a month. Yeah, like a month away, pretty much, is when I'll start talking about what's been going on lately. And you'll see why. Y'all will see why. But that'll be it for this video. This one's actually nice and short, so I'll see you guys later.
I can't accomplish anything. I need to take this game by storm. I'm grinding like the haters' teeth to a beat, but we'll just wait and see if we can split those seats. Record it, make history with my notebook. Start a fire burning for us, light that flame inside my soul. And me and Jay have lit this torch of kindling that inner fire.